The modern pharmacy is a marvel of chemistry, but it is a relatively recent invention. While modern medicine excels at acute trauma and complex surgery, many of our ancestors relied on botanical compounds. Here are 20 forgotten herbal remedies that, in many specific contexts, offer a more harmonious and effective path to wellness than over-the-counter or prescription alternatives. The neurological and emotional healers. 1. Skullcap, Scutellaria lateriflora. In an age of high-frequency anxiety, Skullcap is the reset button for the nervous system. Unlike sedative drugs that can leave you groggy, Skullcap helps renew the central nervous system. It contains scutellarin, a compound that effectively treats chatterbrain and nervous exhaustion without the dependency risks of modern benzodiazepines. 2. Woodbetony, Stachys officinalis. Once considered a panacea in medieval Europe, woodbetony is a master of grounding. It is specifically effective for tension headaches and the psychological fog that comes from over-intellectualizing. It draws energy down from the head, calming the vagus nerve and settling the stomach simultaneously. 3. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis. While often dismissed as a simple tea herb, lemon balm is a potent antiviral and anxiolytic. Research suggests it is remarkably effective at improving cognitive function and reducing agitation. In many cases, it outperforms mild sedatives by increasing the activity of GABA, the brain's primary inhibitory neurotransmitter. 4. St. John's wort, Hypericum perforatum. This herb is the sunlight in a bottle for mild to moderate depression. In several European countries, it is prescribed more often than synthetic SSRIs. It works by inhibiting the reuptake of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, often with significantly fewer numbing side effects than commercial antidepressants. The digestive and metabolic masters. 5. Gentian root, Gentiana lutea. Modern medicine often treats acid reflux by suppressing stomach acid, but herbalists use bitters like gentian to stimulate the body's own digestive enzymes. Gentian is the most bitter substance known to man. It wakes up the liver and gallbladder, addressing the root cause of indigestion rather than just masking the symptoms. 6. Meadowsweet, Filipendula ulmaria. Meadowsweet is the natural precursor to aspirin. It contains salicylic acid, but unlike aspirin, it also contains mucilage that protects the stomach lining. It provides the same pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory benefits as NSAIDs without the risk of gastric ulcers. 7. Marshmallow root, Althea officinalis. This is the ultimate internal bandage. When soaked in water, the root creates a thick mucilage that coats the esophagus and gut. It is often more effective than liquid antacids for treating leaky gut and irritable bowel syndrome because it provides a physical barrier that allows the tissue to heal itself. 8. Milk thistle, Silybum merinum. Milk thistle contains silibin, one of the few known substances that can actually regenerate liver cells. While modern medicine has few tools to repair a damaged liver, milk thistle acts as a survival kit for the organ, protecting it from toxins and environmental pollutants. The respiratory and immune defenders. 9. Mullein, Verbascum thapsus. Mullein is the premier remedy for deep, rattling lung congestion. Its leaves are an expectorant that helps the lungs expel mucus, while its soothing properties calm the bronchial tubes. It is often more effective than chemical cough suppressants because it clears the lungs rather than just silencing the cough reflex. 10. Elecampane, Inula helenium. This is a warrior herb for the lungs. It has potent antibacterial properties and is specifically used for stubborn, long-seated respiratory infections that antibiotics sometimes fail to clear completely. It warms the chest and stimulates a productive immune response. 11. Elderberry, Sambucus nigra. Long before the flu shot, there was elderberry. It contains compounds that physically coat viruses, preventing them from entering and replicating in human cells. Studies have shown that elderberry can reduce the duration of viral infections by half, outperforming many over-the-counter cold medicines. 12. Yarrow, Achillea millefolium. Yarrow is a master of the blood. Known as woundwort, it can stop external bleeding instantly. Internally, it is a diaphoretic, meaning it helps the body break a fever by opening the pores and inducing a healthy sweat, working with the body's natural defense mechanism rather than artificially suppressing it. The structural and integumentary healers. 13. Comfrey, Symphytum officinale. Its folk name is nip bone. Comfrey contains allantoin, a cell proliferant that dramatically accelerates the healing of bones, tendons, and skin. While modern medicine relies on immobilization, Comfrey provides the chemical signal for the body to knit tissue back together at double the normal speed. 14. Arnica, Arnica montana. Arnica is the gold standard for treating blunt force trauma and bruising. When applied topically, it stimulates the flow of white blood cells to the injured area, clearing out congested blood and reducing swelling faster than many chemical anti-inflammatory gels. 15. Plantain, Platigo major. Not the banana-like fruit, but the common backyard leaf. Plantain is a drawing herb. It is incredibly effective at pulling out toxins from bee stings, splinters, or spider bites. It acts as a biological vacuum, neutralizing venom and preventing infection. The circulatory and endocrine support. 16. Hawthorn, Crataegus. Hawthorn is often called food for the heart. It doesn't just treat heart symptoms, it strengthens the cardiac muscle itself. It helps dilate coronary arteries and improves the heart's pumping action. For mild heart insufficiency, it is frequently more sustainable and gentler than synthetic heart medications. 17. Vitex, chaste tree berry. For hormonal imbalances in women, Vitex is a powerful regulator. It doesn't contain hormones itself. Instead, it acts on the pituitary gland to balance the production of progesterone and estrogen. It is often more effective than synthetic hormone replacement therapy, HRT, for treating PMS and menopausal symptoms. 18. Nettle, Urtica dioica. Stinging nettles are perhaps the most nutrient-dense plant on land. They are a natural antihistamine, often more effective than commercial allergy pills for treating hay fever. Because they are rich in minerals, they also act as a natural multivitamin that supports kidney health. 19. Cleavers, Galium apiarine. This sticky plant is the primary remedy for the lymphatic system. It helps move stagnant lymph and reduce swollen glands. While modern medicine has very few lymphatic tonics, Cleavers acts as a filter, helping the body's waste removal system function at peak efficiency. 20. Valerian root, Valeriana officinalis. Valerian is nature's Valium. It is a powerful sedative for insomnia, working on the same brain receptors as pharmaceutical sleep aids, but without the risk of next-day hangover effects. It effectively shortens the time it takes to fall asleep and improves sleep quality. Why these remedies often outperform modern drugs. The reason many of these remedies work better isn't because they are more powerful in a raw, chemical sense. It's because they are complex.